What's the word, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to be doing another POV, but I want to inform y'all what's going on with the car. Once again, another issue happening. By the way, I'm not complaining, but yeah, the car is currently stuck in limp mode because I think there's something going on with the transmission. I think I need to go ahead and get it serviced. I think it's time for me to change the transmission fluid. For those of you that don't know, they say that the transmission fluid is lifetime, but that's definitely not true at all. You definitely should replace it or get it changed. So I think that's what's going on with the car. But other than that, no more leaks anymore. No more coolant leaks. So that's good. I didn't want to strap the mic up to the car because I knew it was going to be kind of annoying. I figured it was going to sound pretty annoying to hear. Because like y'all will see, and I'll kind of explain it to y'all, that yeah, it just came on in the dash. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says trans failsafe prog, standing for a program. But yeah, like I said, I just think the transmission needs to be serviced, so I think that's what's going on with it. But let's go ahead and get this going. Yeah, as y'all can see, like if I let off the gas, like the car barely moves unless I have like some momentum, then the car will start getting going. But like I'll literally mash into the pedal and the car will not move. It's like sluggish, it's very slow. So and y'all might be asking, well then why are you driving it? Well, the only reason why I'm driving it is because I need to get the car back to my house. So but yeah, you guys will see once this light turns green. I'm hoping nobody gets behind me because like I said, the car is just so sluggish off the line. Like once you get it going, it's pretty good, but or it can, you know, get from point A to point B, but trying to get it going, it just takes forever and ever and ever. Yeah, but like I was saying, I apologize for missing a whole entire week of uploading. The car was just in the shop that whole time, just trying to figure out what was going on with it. So we finally got it fixed. So now we're back to uploading, back to posting. All right, let's get it going. Come on, come on. See, like I'm good with momentum. Like it'll eventually climb up there, but trying to get it off the line, like I said, it just takes a minute. So I have to kind of like give myself room to get going. But like I said in my recent posts, if you guys don't follow the Instagram, make sure you go follow that. That's where I mainly post on, is my Instagram, and then besides YouTube. But like I said on Instagram, like this is just what happens with a 20 plus year old car. Like things break, you know, things happen. Obviously there were some things that we were able to like part out that weren't brand new. Whenever we restored the car, there were some things that we could part out instead of just buying brand new, just to kind of cut some costs. So some of those things are breaking, or they're either on their way or they're still working properly. That's what's really going on. But I know the transmission, I've been driving, like I said, daily driving this car for almost 4 years now. I've been saying 3 years, but it's really almost 4 years now. But yeah, it's just, you know, that daily driving, just getting, then I highway drive it. I'm not like in a city, you know, where I'm like start and stop, you know, or stop and go, I guess you call it, stop and go traffic. It's pretty much highway driving like I am now, just kind of like cruising. So yeah, I mean, this car has got I've put some miles on this car, you know, I've been driving it. So it's just the whole thing of just taking care of it, making sure everything else is good, you know, doing my maintenance. I know before the summertime, I'm gonna have to do a maintenance refresh just on everything in general. So I'm gonna have to do an oil change for sure. I said I was going to change to BMW Coolant, to blue Coolant, just to take safety precautions. I know some people say that the green coolant, you're not supposed to run in BMWs, and it eats away at the plastics over time, but there could be some truth to that, but majority of the time you're not going to see it at that extreme, you know, especially depending on which green coolant you use. Like I use Prestone 50/50 coolant, so those are made for domestic and foreign. That coolant is made for domestic and foreign cars. So, and my dad, who had this car before me, he's been running that coolant on this car ever since he had it. So the car is, there's been no issue with running green coolant, but I just want to take the precaution. Yeah, so oil change, new coolant, I need new air filters, and then obviously now the transmission needs to be serviced as well. So yeah, a couple things that I need to just get done before I can actually move on to cosmetics again. There's just a couple more things cosmetically that I want to do to the car before I pretty much, you know, end it for a little while. I know you guys have been getting on to me about it, and I've been waiting for the summertime just because I want to get out of school before I do it, and that's to refresh the headlights. The reason why I'm waiting is because I want to take it to my wrap shop who did it last time. They did it whenever I first restored the car about 4 years ago, and I want them to do it again, but this time put a PPF over them so that they stay restored, or they stay clear. So, and then obviously I want to get the rims resprayed. I want to go back to the polished look on the car. And then yeah, maybe dial in the fitment a little bit, throw some spacers on there. I don't know if I'm gonna lower this car or not, but I do want to like kind of get the fitment looking decent. I know it's not going to be dialed in, especially if I don't lower the car. So, but yeah, once I get all of that, you know, pretty much taken care of, I'll be pretty much set, you know, for the time being. I'll be pretty much more focused on trying to save up to get another one. Like I said, probably an E92. And I've even been looking at the 1 Series, like doing the 1 Series or something, big turbo, single turbo 1 Series, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video off here. That's pretty much it for today. Like I said, I'm gonna get this car serviced so that I can actually drive it. I can't keep driving around like this with the car driving sluggish, and I also don't want to risk damaging the transmission or even blowing the transmission, because that definitely would not be good. But yeah, appreciate you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Appreciate each and every new sub as well, new supporter, and I love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.